Nice and simple, drawing a carrot can be both fun and expressive, depending on your style. Here's a quick guide depending on what you're going for. Basic carrot drawing steps, cartoon style. 1. Shape the body. Draw a long, slightly curved triangle, wider at the top, pointy at the bottom. Slightly round the tip to make it feel organic. 2. Add texture. Draw short, curved lines across the body to represent the carrot's ridges. These should follow the carrot's curve, spaced unevenly. 3. Top, greens. At the wide end, sketch some leafy greens with loose, jagged shapes. Think of 3 to 5 leaf clusters sprouting out in different directions. 4. Color it in, if coloring. Body, use a range of oranges for depth. Darker on one side, lighter on the other. Greens, mix light and dark green for a lively, fresh look. Want a different style? Tell me if you're aiming for realistirot as a rocket or sword. Cartoon with a